So I'm in Lightburn today, and I just created this to engrave on a cutting board to give to a friend for their birthday next week. And one of the problems I have is not engraving this, but when you have an irregularly shaped cutting board, how do you find the center? I mean, there's no corners to draw an X on, and my laser doesn't have a camera that will show me how to place this. So I invented a little tip, which many of you probably know already, but I thought I'd show how I do it, and I'll show you how I find the center of this cutting board. First, I want to draw a square around what I've designed, and then I'm going to resize it so that it's just barely bigger than my design. And if you can tell that by putting the square in there, that it defined where the middle was by that dot. So I am going to also put a little tiny circle and make sure that it's in the center of, so see, I have to scooch it over just a little bit, and that looks like the center. So now what I can do is go to the cutting, and I can make this black, yes, I can make this black, and I have a black square now, and I can make this a cut. So we're gonna output this, and we're gonna shut off everything else, and I'm going to engrave this on a piece of paper and then place it on my cutting board. And I have roughly centered this piece of paper on the origin. And so holding the camera and trying to hit start, we will cut this piece of paper just that quickly. Oh, I probably overkilled on that, didn't I? I used too much power, didn't go fast enough. But anyway, we will have it done there. And now I can take this piece of paper and I can put it on my cutting board like that. And once I think I have it pretty well centered, I can mark the center and start my engraving. So it's just that simple. There's many other ways to do this, but I find this the most helpful. So here it is finished. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.